to fix High on Life not launching and crashing. 1. Backup then delete Steam library /Steam apps /common /High on Life /engine /binaries /third party /openxr /win64 subfolder. 2. Verify integrity. Of the High on Life game files. Like this. 3. Play the game as admin. Like this. 4. Update your graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Update the game and keep it up to date always.